Hi, this is a video tutorial for the masks we're making for Masks for All Ireland. This one in particular is for those who don't have an overlocker. So what you want to do is cut out your bodies as normal, but we want you to cut out your ears 12 centimeters by 4 centimeters to allow for the rolled hem on the top of your side ears. So you cut out your bodies 36 by 20. You print out your pleating, your folding template, and you follow the instructions on it, which will give you a body like this, and then you're ready to sew. And what you want to do is sew your rolled hems on the top and bottom of your side ears, and press your side ears down along its center seam, its center line. And when you have those done, then you're ready to assemble the mask. So we've got the rolled hems on the little side ears, so they're ready to go. We're going to work on the mask then and put a little rolled hem on the front of the mask. And on the back of the mask, it has a bigger hem, and it has a 1 centimeter fold over onto a 1 centimeter. So it's all in there. And then we're going to stitch the pleats into place. Now, if you have a domestic sewing machine, running all the way up and down it can be tedious, so you can just put like little tacking stitches just down on your pleats. The industrial, I actually just like to do a run and do a lot of them, and again, I find that easier for me. Okay, so in batching, this is how far I take these then. I'll do all my bodies to this, and I'll do all my side ears to this. Whatever I'm making, if I'm making them, making 20 or 100, I'll have all of them like this and all of them like this, and then build them together, all together. So now we are going to put the side ears in. So we start with the biggest hem, the body facing up, and the biggest hem to the foot of the sewing machine. We have our side ear. We're matching the top edge of the side ear to the top edge of this thicker seam, wider seam. So that will sit right up against that, and I walk it down to the center fold. Then I fold over this on top of it, so I'm trying to encase the side ear within the inside, all the right sides together. I take this up and I fold this down. Like a pillowcase. And then for robustness, I do it a second time. These masks will have a hard life. These will need to be boil washed every day, so we need to make the seams as strong as we can. Then we take the other side here and match the top to the top of this seam. And I walk it down and bring the other end down to the center seam, and I fold it round like a pillowcase. I take this excess and I fold it down. Can you see how it looks? Like a pillowcase? And back up a second time. And then we turn it out. Now, so the next step and the final step on the body is to take our mask and to top stitch and seal in those raw edges. So I'm just going to tidy up my inner seams. Should have done this before I turned it out, sorry. Okay. It turned out again, and then I feel for where it ends. Do the same on this side. Also that the edge of the seams on the inside become encased like a French seam. So that when you look at it on the inside, it's all neat and tidy. So that's how you make our mask. And there's a separate video for ties and elastic.